To begin, write your name on the back. Next, take your cutout star shape and put it in the center of your paper. You're then going to take either light or dark blue paint, hold down your star, and you're going to paint outward. So you can actually paint right on top of it, and you're trying to then go all the way out to the edges of the paper. And I can alternate between colors. And when you think you've got it pretty full, you can carefully peel the star off to reveal the white behind. You can then either leave it white or add extra details.